In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a theme file in Shopify. Whether you're looking to give your online store a brand new look or introduce some fresh functionalities, adding a new theme can be just what you need. Let's walk through the process, starting from the Shopify homepage. When you first land on the Shopify homepage, you'll want to direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here, you'll see a variety of options that help you manage your store, and among them is the online store link. Go ahead and click on this. It's your gateway to customizing the way your store looks to your customers. After clicking, you'll be presented with a page that includes different sections for themes, blogs, and pages, among others. For our purposes, we will be focusing on the themes section. So, scroll down until you reach the theme library. This is where you'll find all the themes you've previously added, both those active and any you've uploaded for future use. It's always a good idea to review what's already here, in case you've added something in the past that might already suit your needs. Once you're oriented with your current themes, look for the button that says Add Theme. Clicking this will open up options for how you want to introduce new themes to your library. For our task today, select the option that reads Upload Zip File. This choice allows you to directly upload a theme that you've downloaded from a theme store or a third-party provider. It's a quick way to bring in something completely new, bypassing the theme store browsing process. Clicking on Upload Zip File will prompt you to locate and select a file from your computer. Make sure your theme file is in a .zip format, as Shopify requires this format for theme uploads. Once you've located the file, select it and proceed to upload. The upload time can vary based on the size of the file and your internet speed, so a little patience here can go a long way. Once the upload is complete, your new theme will appear in your theme library. It won't be active just yet, so you're free to explore it and make any tweaks before committing to it live on your site. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully uploaded a new theme to your Shopify store. It's a straightforward process, but it opens up a whole world of design possibilities for your site. Take your time to experiment with different themes and see which one best represents your brand and appeals to your customers. Thank you for watching, and enjoy transforming your Shopify store.